Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great. In today's video, I am going to read about the frequently asked question about TestDef exam. It is available on study-in-germany.de website under FAQ column. So let us start. What is the pattern of the test? The TestDef is divided into 4 parts: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. Together, the test assesses whether the candidate's language skills meet the requirement for studying and researching at the university level. All tasks refer to various communicative situations in everyday university life. You can find more information about the structure and content of each part on the TestDef website in German. Second, what is the competence level of TestDef? Answer: TestDef evaluates language ability at 3 levels: TDN 3, 4, and 5. These levels reflect the language proficiency necessary for studying at university. They are based on levels B2 and C1 of German European Framework of Reference for Languages. The result of the test allow you and the institutions which you are applying to evaluate your language skills on an international basis. Question number 3. How expensive is the test and where can I take it if I am not in Germany but I am planning to study there? Answer: the fee varies depending on the country where the test is administered. There are 3 country groups: candidates who take the TestDef in Germany, for example, have to pay €175, while students in Argentina pay 130 and in Ethiopia only €90. You can obtain your information when you register for the test online or at your test center. Question number 4. How can I prepare test for the TestDef? How can I prepare best for the TestDef? The TestDef website tell you what you will be asked to do in each part of the test. You can also find the information on how to improve your language skills. As you prepare for TestDef, it is important to familiarize yourself with the test format. We recommend trying the sample tests 02 and 03 to get some practice. These are original TestDef exam papers which you can download at no charge. The TestDef website also offers lots of helpful hints and reading materials to help you prepare for the test. That link is available here on the FAQ column of study-in-germany.de. You can please go on to this link and refer to this content, free content available. Question number 5. I don't like revising on my own. Is there a TestDef course or study group I could join? Answer: the best way to prepare for the TestDef is to participate in a preparatory course. In the course, TestDef examiners introduce you to the TestDef format, provide coaching with original TestDef items, and help you improve your language skills. Preparatory courses are offered at test centers, universities, and Goethe Institute locations. A complete list of institutions which offer preparatory courses can be found on the TestDef website. You can also take a TestDef preparatory course online at Duo, Deutsche Uni Online. Experienced tutors can help you hone your writing and speaking skills with authentic test-def questions and let you take a mock test. On the Duo website, you can book a preparatory course. Question 6. If you don't attend a preparatory course, how can I prepare for the oral part of the test def? Answer. If you want to improve your speaking skills, you can practice by teaming up with a tandem partner online, for example, through an e-tandem program. Please keep in mind, however, that although tandems can help you improve your conversation skills with native speakers, they don't really prepare you for the type of texts you will have to discuss at the test def. If you are serious about preparing for the oral test of test def, we highly recommend taking a preparatory course. Question 7. How many times can I retake the test def if I don't pass the first time? Answer. You can take the test def as often as you want. If you don't succeed the first time, we recommend waiting for a while before registering again to improve those linguistic skills that are not sufficiently developed yet. Question number 8. How long is the test def certificate valid? The test def certificate is valid indefinitely, but in fact, some universities require recent language certificate, test def or others, which are no older than 1, 2, or 3 years. Therefore, we recommend checking your university's website if any restrictions to validity apply. One more thing. If you are planning to take the test def before applying to a German university of higher education, be aware that it normally takes 5 to 6 weeks for your test results to come in. Therefore, if you wish to enroll at university in the winter term, you should take the test in February or April so that you don't miss the application deadline. So guys, this was the initial information on test def exam, and if you go on to the Goethe Institute website, you are able to come across the various Android mobile applications by way of which you can download and prepare for your exams. There is some free content available on the Goethe website. Also on the test def, it is the testdef.de website is in the Jewish language, and there also you can get the entire information which is freely available. Apart from this, you can read the German language newspapers. You can listen to the German radio by downloading onto your Android mobile phone, and you can prepare yourself for the test def exam. And if some of you have appeared for IELTS exam, the test def exam is actually made on the same pattern as the IELTS exam. So guys, this was the initial information. I would like to give you further information if I happen to collect more. Thank you so much, and keep doing good, and consider subscribing my channel. If you have any questions, I would be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much. Please do write in the comment box your queries so that I can answer to most of your queries by researching on your questions. Thank you so much.